Hello everyone. I'm making a little short video on the update on this Lectric 3.0 step-through model that I purchased about 6 weeks ago. Me and my wife got his and hers Lectric e-bikes, and I got the fold-up e-bike, so I wanted to be able to transport it in my SUV without carrying on the back of a truck or SUV like that. Here, take a look at it. So this is the Lectric XP 3.0 step-through model, and we've had these about 6 weeks. So far, so good. Everything seems to be working perfectly. I added a few options to it: the mirrors, and then a cup holder, a little bell. You know, you always need that bell when you're on the trail, so you won't run over people. And so far, so good. We've got about almost 250 miles on these in 6 weeks. So we've been doing quite a bit of riding. We've done a lot of different trails, a lot of different places, and it's working really well. This is the pedal assist 1 through 5. Now, originally when it comes, it only comes where it can go, it has a governor on it, and it only goes up to 20 miles an hour. But you can go in there and you can critique that console, that little brain there, and you can get it to where it goes to 28. So I did that, and I've had this one up to 24 miles an hour. But what I wanted to show you on this video is how it breaks down. So basically that seat comes off. It just got a little bar that you unloosen right there, and then you can pull that seat off. And then for the handlebars, there's another little latch right there. You take that little, lift it up, and pull that back, and the handlebars fold down. Then there's another latch in the middle of it that you can take the bike and fold it in half. I don't know if you can get a good view of that, but that latch there, you can unlatch that and it folds in half. Once you've taken the seat off, you fold the handlebars down, and then you unlatch it in the middle. It ends up looking like this. This is how you're able to fold it up and put it in the back of your SUV with no problem. That's what it looks like after you get it all folded in. And it's really convenient. I wanted that type because I wanted to be able to, when I travel with the bikes, I wanted to be able to get it out of the weather. Also, for safety purposes, once it's inside the SUV locked up, you know, they got to steal the SUV to get it, and it's locked up inside there, out of the weather. So like I said before, that's the reason why we got these fold-up models, and it's working really well. We love them. We ride at least 4 or 5 times a week. Well, until next time, be safe. Have a great day. Bye.